The Pilot project is a part of the Agile program, Horizon 2020. In 2015, IMAC, Orange and Rombit joined the Agile Consortium mainly for two reasons: because of the live transmission of data from a drone to the cloud, and of course for safety and security reasons in this important area. The Port of Antwerp is the second largest in Europe. It's 12,500 hectares of industrial playground. It contains a lot of container handling. It has a lot of CVSO in petrochemical and chemical plants, and also has a nuclear plant. It's also close to a very large city with 500,000 inhabitants, so it's quite important to maintain or to monitor the safety and security of these people.
This is our development drone. It has an Agile gateway underneath it. We also have 4G connection from Orange. We have a camera for real-time monitoring. It is a 3D solo drone, and it can reach speeds up to 75 km per hour and has a flight time of about 15 to 20 minutes with payload.
Basically, what the Agile Gateway does is transmit sensor data or live images through the gateway over a cellular network, which then transmits the data to a cloud. Our partner has developed an application where all these parameters can be visualized. So you could imagine that a drone can intervene when something happens in the Port of Antwerp, speeds to the site and then takes live images while the fire brigade or other people are driving to the site. And with the help of the Agile Gateway, which is attached to the drones, the data can be transmitted live over our 4G and maybe in the future our 5G network.